Question number 10. The equation of the circle is given, which is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 8y minus 12 is equal to 0. We know that equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to radius square, where h and k are center. Find an equation of the tangent to the circle at the point 2, 8, giving your answer in the form of ax plus by plus c. First concept, you should know that if there is a tangent on the circle and this is a point 2, 8, so if this is the center, so this line point P and PC line is perpendicular to the tangent. Tangent at P is equal to 2, 8 is perpendicular to the, this is a perpendicular symbol to the PC. Okay, this is the concept you should know. We need to find the equation of the tangent. Okay, first we find the center of the circle. So from circle equation, we have x square plus y square plus 4x minus 8y minus 12 equal to 0. Try to make it x minus h whole square. So x square plus 2ab means 2 times x times 2 plus 4 minus 4. Similarly, to make it y square minus 8y complete square, we will use y square minus 2 times y times 4 and plus 16 minus 16 and 12 equal to 0. Further solving, we will have x square minus x square plus 2ab plus b square. So it will become x plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus y minus 4 whole square, and this one will be equals to the minus 16 minus 12 equal to 0. Further solving, we will have x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square, and this one is equals to 32. Comparing this with equation x minus k h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So comparing these equation, we will have h is equal to negative 2 and k is equal to 4. So we have the center, which is h comma k, which is negative 2 comma 4. So we have calculated the c, which is 2 negative 2 comma 4. Now we need to find the slope of tangent mt, which is perpendicular to the slope of PC. So first we find slope of PC. So slope of PC can be find out by using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And in this case, P is given, which is 2, 8. P is 2, 8. And we have the information of C, which is center. We just calculated 2, negative 2, 4. And this one is x1, y1. And this one is x2, y2. So plugging these values, we can find the slope of PC. So 4 minus 8 over negative 2 minus 2. So this one is equal, MPC is equals to negative 4 over negative 4, which is equals to 1. So we have calculated the slope, which is MPC equals to 1. So we have the slope of this line, which is 1. And MPC means PC and tangent line are perpendicular. So product of perpendicular slope is negative 1. So MPC time slope of tangent is negative 1 using, so MPC is already we just calculated, which is 1 time MT slope of tangent is equal to negative 1. So we have slope of tangent, which is negative 1. So we have calculated the slope of tangent, which is negative 1, and we have the point. So we can use slope point form to find the equation of the tangent. For equation of tangent using slope point form. So slope point form is y minus y1 is equals to m tangent time x minus x1. Mt is negative 1 and we have the point which is x1 comma y1, and this one is given which is 2 comma 8. So by using these information we can find the equation of the tangent. So y minus y1 is 8 is equals to slope of the tangent which is negative 1 time x minus x1 which is 2. So we have y minus 8 is equal to negative x plus 2. Okay, solving further we will have y minus 8 plus x minus 2 equal to 0, and y plus x minus 10 equal to 0. So, or you can say that this one is x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the tangent. Now let's move to the part B. Given that the line x plus 2y is equals to k does not intersect the circle, show that the k square minus 20k minus 220 less than 0. First thing we should know that if we have two equations, one is equation of line and we have equation of the circle. If we solve them simultaneously, these two equations, we will get intersecting point. If we don't find any real solution, so we can say that they don't intersect. So we try to solve them simultaneously. So we have the line equation which is x plus 3y equals to k, and we have the circle equation which is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 8y minus 12 equal to 0. If this line do not intersect the circle, so we do not find any solution if we solve them simultaneously. So from equation of line we get k minus 3y, and plugging in equation of circle. So this equation of circle will become k minus 3y whole square plus y square plus 4x means 4 times k minus 3y minus 8y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, solving further we will have k square minus 6ky plus 9y square plus y square plus 4 times k 4k minus 4 times 3y means 12y minus 8y minus 12 equal to 0. Solving further, which is k square minus 6ky, this one is plus 10y square plus 4k minus 20y minus 12 equal to 0. So we will have 10y square minus 20y minus 6ky and remaining constant which is negative 12 plus 4k plus k square equal to 0. So we can say that this is a quadratic equation, tan y square minus 20 minus plus 6k y, and this one is equal to plus k square plus 4k minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, this is the quadratic equation, and if we solve them, we can find the real values of y. So we can say that solution is exists and the line intersect the circle. But if we find complex solution, so we can say that line do not intersect the circle. So this can be find out by using the discriminant, and we know that if discriminant is less than 0, then it's mean we will have the complex solution of this quadratic equation. So we can say that line will not intersect the circle. We know that discriminant is less should be less than 0 if and if only if solution is complex. So we know that discriminant is b square minus 4ac less than 0, and in this case this one is a and this one is b and this one is c. So plugging these values we will have b square means negative 20 plus 6k whole square minus 4 times a means 10 times k square plus 4k minus 12 less than 0. This one will be equal to 400 plus 240 240k plus 36k square minus 40 times k square plus 4k minus 12 less than 0. So we have 400 plus 240k plus 36k square minus 40k square minus 160k, and this one is equal to the plus 480 less than 0. Further solving, we will have negative 4k square, 240k minus 160k is plus 80k, and 400 plus 480 is 880 less than 0. Taking 4 common, we will have negative k square plus 20k plus 220 less than 0. This equation will become negative k square plus 20k plus 220 less than 0. If we multiply by negative 1, sign will change. So negative 1 times negative k square plus 20k plus 220 greater than 0. So this equation will become k square minus 20k minus 220 greater than 0. So if this condition satisfied, discriminant will become less than 0. So we do not find any solution. If we do not find any solution, line does not intersect the circle. Or you can say that line does not intersect the circle if condition satisfied. I hope you enjoyed my lecture.